Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous videos, I showed you 4 costumes with 1 dress, how to make this dress, and Fluttershy's accessories. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Asuka Langley's cosplay accessories from Neon Genesis Evangelion. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already for more cosplay, fashion, and DIYs. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make these quick, easy cosplay accessories. The amazing Asuka is easy to make from Neon Genesis Evangelion. Obviously, I'm not doing her plug suit, so this will be a very quick tutorial. Obviously, start with your yellow dress from the previous videos. I added little yellow ribbon to the straps to make little bow ties. So because I had extra fabric, I created the straps from the yellow fabric from making the dress. And then I tied them into little bows on the straps. Next, make sure you have a medium-length red wig. My wig has bangs, but it's a little bit long and I didn't want to cut it. But straight from the bag, this wig was curly, so I had to straighten it. I do like it a little bit wispy and curly because she's always in a suit, and I think it would be great if her hair was messy because she's a pilot. Next, you'll need these little Evangelion hair clips. They like receptors or something. I made these out of air dry clay, and I'll show you how to do that now. I am using white air dry clay, and it is exactly what it says. It's clay, you can mold it and then let it sit overnight so it dries hard. Grab a decent sized amount of air dry clay and work it in your palms so that it's very malleable. You want to kind of make this into a carrot shape, but make sure one of them is a flat side. I'm going to be working it in my palms and making it half like an egg, and then pushing it down onto the table to create a flat side to attach the hair clips. Once the shape has been achieved, use your thumb and a little bit of water to smooth it out so that you don't have any creases, wrinkles, or fingerprints. Once you are completely happy with how it looks, make sure you leave it alone for 24 hours, just like the packaging says, and begin working on your second one. Obviously, you'll need 2 because there's 1 left clip and 1 right clip. In order to create perfect symmetry, I made sure to measure it next to each other so that they're very similar in shape and size. If I needed to add more, I just added more clay and began reworking it and add water to my hands if I needed to smooth anything out.
Day 2.
Now that it's dry, I painted it with red varnish and I used black piping paint or puffy paint to create the lines. I drew a line first and then I used the puffy paint. Now I'm going to be attaching these clips to the head pieces. I don't have 2 of the same ones, but see, these will both work. I'm using my favorite E6000 glue and we're going to be attaching it onto the head pieces straight. Make sure to give a generous amount of glue this way that it doesn't fall off or give any way, because these will definitely fall off if you're not liberal with the glue. And make sure you find a place and set them upright so they will dry vertically and the hair clips will not move out of place. Now once you are done with those, let those dry and let's continue onward, finishing Asuka. The last accessory you will need is a light blue ribbon. This is actually her choker. I used a really long piece, that way I can get some definition, and I wrapped it around my neck a few times. With all these combined, you are now Asuka Langley from Neon Genesis Evangelion. Don't forget to add red Mary Jane shoes when you're going out and your cosplay is complete. Make sure when you wear your wig that you put your hair into twin tails or pigtails, and that way you can attach your clips to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial on making this cosplay. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in a comment down below. Like up this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more cosplay, fashion, and DIY goodness. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.